Hello everybody, this is Nick and we're going to start with the limit definition of a derivative. The limit definition of a derivative is this: the limit of as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. That's it. That's all there is to it. There's not anything else I could add. So let's go on to the first example. F of x is equal to negative 10 x. So let's start with our first part, f of x plus h. That's going to be negative 10 times x plus h minus f of x, negative 10x, all over h. We can distribute the 10 over here. We get, oh, and don't forget, in the beginning, it's as limit as h approaches 0 of this. For now, I'm going to leave that out just so I don't have to keep writing it, but you know what, I'll do it. I'll do it for all of you. So limit of x, limit as h approaches 0 of negative 10x minus 10h plus 10x, because we distribute this negative to a negative, all over h. These two cancel out and we get, and these two cancel out and we get negative 10, and that is our answer. And that is our derivative of f of x. On to our second example. F of x is equal to 1 over x minus 1. Let's do limit as h approaches 0 of 1 over x plus h minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 all over h. We can bring the h in front and say 1 over h. We can do the crisscross and do x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus h minus 1 minus x plus h minus 1. There we go. So in the end, these two cancel out, and these two cancel out, and these two cancel out. So we get let's see. We get 1 over x minus 1, x plus h minus 1. And don't forget, we have the limit as h approaches 0. So we can take this h out, turn that to 0, and we get 1 over x minus 1 squared, and that is our derivative. In our third example, f of x is equal to 2 minus x squared. So now we're just going to do our normal, how we start. Limit as h approaches 0 of 2 minus x plus h squared minus 2 minus x squared all over h. You can distribute that, or FOIL. So we can cancel these 2's. So negative x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus plus x squared over h. We can distribute the negative over. We get the limit as h approaches 0 of negative, we can cancel these ones out. Negative 2xh minus h squared over h, factor out an h, cancel it out. We get negative 2x minus h, and we got our, don't forget, limit as h approaches 0. Plug in 0 for this, we get, and we are left with negative 2x as our derivative. And that is how we find a derivative using the limit definition.